Hello everybody, I'm Marc Foraster from Barcelona, Spain. I want to show you how to put a RaceMaster on my board. Okay, it's a new Starboard from 2024. Okay, so the first tip I want to show you is how we're going to place it on. Okay, to find a place to place it on, the best way to do it is just paddle for 1 hour without it. So you can find out where you hit with your paddle. Okay, that means maybe some people hit it up there, maybe people hit it in here, or maybe people go and hit directly here. So if you do it 1 hour paddling without it, you will find out where you arrive when you paddle and where you hit the most, so you can protect better your board. Okay, the first thing I'm gonna do is to extend all the sticker here to find out how big is it, where I want to fix it up, more in the top, more in the bottom, so I can protect a lot better my board. Another tip will be, if it's a little bit warmer, you can put some water on the board, so the sticker will be more easily to put it on and maybe to fix it back. So take it out and put it back again without erasing and without breaking anything. Okay, today with the weather is like this, it's not very warm and not cold, we're gonna do it without it. Okay, but it's another tip you can do. Okay, now that I have everything clean, I'm gonna take out the sticker and try to put it on.